April's a beautiful female Australian sea lion. She was actually born down in Coffs Harbour as part of a breeding program for her endangered species. Eared seals like April also have a really strong and flexible hip joint, which enables them to walk, run and climb across the land. Apes, do you want to show everyone how to move across the land? Now this hip joint is so strong that April can even use it to stand up. Let's give it up for Apes, guys. Right, is everyone ready to count?
Yeah.
Alright, let's give it a go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump! You were supposed to jump then. Are they counting loud enough? No? I didn't think so. Kids, I tell you what, you guys did a great job. Give yourselves a big pat on the back. I don't think the adults were helping you out though. So kids, if you're sitting here and adult, let's give it up for Thrasher one more time and never lets a piece of fish go by. Come on back up. Good boy. This is how he maintains a very healthy 180 kilos. He currently eats about 9 kilos of fish each and every day. Let's give Nelson a big round of applause. Alright, now Nelson has come out today to help us talk about a few of the threats that these seals face. Before we start, Nelson, have you got a big wave float for everyone? Thank you. Now the worst types of rubbish are plastics, because once plastic is created, it never leaves the environment. It only breaks up into smaller and smaller pieces, affecting more and more animals along the food chain. Nelson knows just what to do if he ever sees some rubbish.